Hello viewers, you are welcome to this channel. This is Yuxi Mobility, an educating program on vehicles, all kinds of vehicles. And this channel video is so important to drivers, vehicle owners, and also mechanics. In this video, we are going to discuss about brake pads. This is because most people fail to look or to check their brake pads unless they are involved in a problem before they can know something has gone wrong with their brake pads or with their braking system. Neglecting brake pads refer to not properly maintaining the brake pads in a vehicle braking system. Brake pads are crucial for slowing down and stopping a vehicle, as they create frictions against the brake rotors to decelerate the wheels. Neglecting brake pads can lead to problems such as follows. Number one, reduce braking performance. Worn-out brake pad can result in reduced braking efficiency, longer stopping distances, and decreased ability to slow down or stop quickly. 2. Safety hazards. Neglecting brake pad can be dangerous because it increases the risk of not being able to stop in time to avoid collisions. 3. Damage to other brake components. Neglected brake pads can cause damage to other brake components such as the rotors. 4. Costly repairs. If brake pads are neglected for too long, they may damage the brake rotors, requiring their replacement as well, which can be expensive. To avoid these issues, it is important to have regular brake inspections and replace brake pads as needed. Typically, based on the manufacturer's recommendations or the advice of a qualified mechanic, neglecting brake pad is a safety concern and should be taken seriously to ensure the vehicle braking systems functions properly. Some drivers don't care checking their brake pads for months, some even more than 2 months, unless they experience what we call brake failure before they can think of checking their brake pads. Brake pads or braking system is the only part of the vehicle that will bring you to a stop or to slow down. Therefore, with this video, you are now advised or now you understand why brake pads need to be checked daily or weekly, whatever or however you fix your own checking timings. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you and remain safe.